Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 from the charging dock to ensure safety during the process. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the red button located on the top of the canister and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. This will give you access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and slide the battery out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now let's focus on the filters. The Dyson V8 has two filters, one located at the top of the motor and another in the canister. To remove the top filter, twist it counterclockwise and pull it out gently. For the canister filter, simply lift it out. It's essential to clean these filters regularly to maintain optimal performance. Once the filters are out, rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter material. Allow the filters to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting them into the vacuum. While the filters are drying, take this opportunity to clean the inside of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help keep your Dyson V8 in top condition. After the filters are dry, it's time to reinstall them. Start with the canister filter by placing it back into its slot and pushing down until it clicks into place. Then, take the top filter and twist it back into position. Now let's reinsert the battery. Slide the new battery into the compartment until you hear a click. Ensure it's securely in place. If you're unsure about the battery replacement, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pushing it back until it clicks. Your Dyson V8 is now ready to use with a new battery and clean filters. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is always in peak condition. In summary, replacing the battery and filters of your Dyson V8 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum, making it a worthwhile investment for your home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.